Welcome to the B-Degree app. This innovative app is designed with both teachers and students in mind, creating a seamless, engaging learning experience through the power of gamification. On the home screen, you'll find several key sections: units, classroom, library, market, and credits. Let's dive into each one to see how they work. In the units section, you can select the grade level. Our content covers everything from KG1 to grade 6. Let's start with KG2 as an example. Here we have a series of interactive flashcards. Students can hear the pronunciation of each word, hide or show images, and shuffle the cards to keep learning exciting.
Teachers have powerful tools in any game, including a virtual whiteboard to write notes, a timer to manage activities, and the ability to take screenshots. These features help make classroom activities more interactive and effective. The memory game is designed to enhance problem-solving, memory, and listening skills. As students match the cards, they hear the word, reinforcing their learning through repetition. Our interactive student book features engaging videos and animations that bring the content to life. This helps both teachers and students by turning the standard textbook into an interactive learning experience. Students can practice their reading skills in a fun, engaging format.
1. We put seeds in the soil. 2. The plant gets bigger. 3. The tree has white flowers. 4. There are 13 oranges on the tree.
The vocabulary wheel helps students practice reading. They spin the wheel, see a word, and earn coins for correct answers, making reading practice a fun game. We have a special game where students pronounce words, and the app tells them if they pronounce the word correctly or not. This feature helps improve their speaking skills and boosts their confidence. Writing and spelling are crucial skills. Our app uses different colors for vowels and provides instant feedback on spelling mistakes, helping students learn the correct spelling in an interactive way. Students can also practice forming sentences by recording their voices. The app gives feedback on their pronunciation, helping them improve their speaking skills. The numbers game in B-Degree adopts the content and language integrated learning approach to merge language learning with subject content, enriching both numeracy and linguistic abilities. Students engage in tasks where they read phrases describing quantities and then select the corresponding number. This interactive feature reinforces number recognition and counting skills while providing opportunities for reading comprehension and vocabulary development. By integrating visual aids and language practice, the game transforms learning into an enjoyable and effective experience. In B-Degree's grammar set games, young learners embark on a journey to master fundamental language concepts in an interactive and enjoyable manner. These games focus on key elements, such as pronouns and basic sentence structures. Through vibrant visuals, engaging activities, and playful interactions, students are introduced to these grammar concepts in a dynamic learning environment. By identifying and applying pronouns in context, students develop a solid foundation in grammar and sentence formation. These games not only enhance language skills, but also nurture confidence and enthusiasm for learning. With B-Degree's grammar set games, young learners embark on a fun-filled exploration of language that lays the groundwork for future proficiency and communication success. Teachers have their own dashboard where they can manage multiple classrooms, assign tasks, send messages, and view detailed reports on student progress. They can also create and share quizzes easily. Our comprehensive quiz system offers 7 different types of quizzes, which can be used across various subjects. Detailed reports help teachers track each student's progress and identify areas for improvement. The library section is filled with enriching videos covering phonics, reading, science, programming, and more. These videos help students enhance their skills beyond the classroom. In the market, students can customize their avatars and spend the coins they earn from completing educational games. This gamification element keeps them motivated and engaged. B-Degree is available on Android, iOS, and Windows, ensuring accessibility across all your devices. This flexibility means you can learn anytime, anywhere. Thank you for exploring the B-Degree app with us today. We hope you and your students enjoy this fun and effective way to learn and master new skills. Let's make learning a delightful adventure.